If you're looking for a very moist and lightweight cake to eat, this pineapple upside down cake is for you. As you can see, it's very light, it's easy to bake, it's very delicious, soft and yummy. Like, you can finish a whole pan of cake alone with your favorite juice, maybe pineapple juice or orange juice of your choice. Just give it a try, okay? And I'll be waiting for your comments. Welcome to our pineapple upside down cake tutorial. So here I have my pan, pineapple, fresh pineapple. This one is actually fresh, but you can use canned one if you like, the one they buy in supermarkets. Okay, so this is my brown sugar, some cherries, sugar, granulated sugar, flour. Here I have my salt and baking powder already, sifted flour, but margarine, fresh juice, fresh pineapple juice. This is milk, buttermilk, and eggs, pineapple flavor. You can use vanilla if you like. So in this pan, I already added my butter, just like greased it, but you can actually add melted butter. I think I should just add melted butter to it. So there is my melted butter. Just go ahead and add the brown sugar on it. Okay. Remember, you are going to add sugar in the flour, so in the main batter, so be careful with the sugar you add, just to cover it, just to cover the surface and the bottom. So after adding the sugar, go ahead and arrange my pineapple. So it's actually better to use store bought one, so that you not go through the process of slicing and making it look perfect. It's kind of a lot of work to do. So just go ahead and arrange it like that. So it's time to put my cherries. So I'm going to use and put it in this middle like that, or I can even cut it into two so that it will just like that. So I'll set that aside and start creaming the butter and sugar. I'm going to cream it till it's very fluffy. So you can use on a stick if you don't have mixer. Okay, I don't want it to splash. So I'm just going to go ahead and mix that up. Ensure that you don't over mix, and this is not in highest level. This is, I think, is the lowest level that my hand mixer is. So I'm just going to go ahead and start adding my eggs bit by bit. That's when the sugar and butter and are fluffy. That's when I'll start adding my eggs. Okay, so make sure you add your eggs bit by bit. Don't add everything at the same time. Okay, so after adding all my eggs and mixing that up, then I have to stop using the hand mixer and start using turning stick. Okay, so I'll just go ahead and add my pineapple flavor. Just as I said, you can use vanilla flavor if you want, or any flavor of your choice, but since it's pineapple upside down cake, so I'm going to use pineapple flavor, and this is industrial flavor, so it's very strong. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and mix that up properly. So after mixing that up properly, that's when I'll start with my flour. Okay, so I'm just going to alternate it, like the flour goes first, then followed by my fresh pineapple juice. So after the fresh pineapple juice, I'm just going to go back to the flour again. So when I add the flour next, after mixing that up properly, I'll then go ahead with my buttermilk. Okay, if you have buttermilk or whole cream milk or full cream milk, you can use that. Okay, so I'm just going to do that, alternate that, and start baking. So now that I finished mixing that up, I'm just going to go ahead and start putting it into my pan. Remember that my oven is preheated already. Okay, remember to preheat your oven before you start mixing your cake. So I'm just going to go ahead and put this into the pan. Ensure that the bottom is well covered, like it's well layered, so that when the cake gets done, when you flip it to the other side, everything will be just perfect. Okay, tap that a little. Come on. Allow it to cool. Pineapple upside down cake. So our cake is finally ready, and right now I'm just going to show you guys how moist and light this cake is. Like when you put it in your mouth, oh my god, it just melts right away. There is no much sugar in it. There is no, it's not hard, it's not, it's not stiff. Okay, this cake is very nice, like very nice and light. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you've not done that, please just help me to grow this channel, and I'll be glad you did. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you next time on my next video. Bye bye.